Guys, can someone hear this?
No one's sad.
Aray.
But I'm sad because hindi mo naman hindi mo to, like to me, you get in a relationship, you get married, you have kids, and parang na yun to me parang
Only
okay na
make it here.
But I'm in the process right now of accepting
Someone please.
what is, and
This is my
yung
table.
galit,
This is my bedroom.
being human, you are.
Oh, please don't did it about my nails. And this is my other things.
But now it's
I
not.
fix my room.
Wala na I should have left earlier.
Okay, bye-bye. Not bye-bye.
The years parang nawala.
Wait,
There's one thing
dito,
I
boy.
regret. No, it's not
Yeah,
having a
kid.
family. It's not being married. It's probably knowing when it should have stopped.
No one.
When I should
Boy.
have left.
Why didn't you?
I was scared. Sinong gusto nun? So, I was scared kasi unknown. I was scared because hindi ko tinatrust si God. Na parang, pray ako ng pray before sa ko, Lord, fix mo yung marriage, tapos hindi naaayos. So,
See?
parang sabi ko,
Somebody teach me.
I should have trusted God.
Ouch. If I say bye-bye, not bye-bye. Wait. The fuck? I am changing. Oh my god. Why am I naked?
You love God?
Okay, not naked anymore.
Right now in your life,
Naked.
paano mo binubuo ang iyong sarili? Ang kasagutan
Oh.
sa pagbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy Lamunda.
Mas pinasarap na idol hotdog. Try natin.
Wait. This sa Pasko. Yeah, that's all I have. No, not bye-bye. I will drink milk. Cheers.